Hi again, this is Fix Bentley channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you the fuel tank flap cap replacement process on Bentley Continental GT series 2004 and 2010. My one is a bit damaged and water can go down inside the car at rainy time. It's not a good idea because there is quite a lot of electronic stuff underneath. So as you can see, it's fixed by one screw, and we also will need to unclip one clip here in order to take it off and replace this part. Unclip it and slide up using a small screwdriver like I do. Should be careful with this cap, it can be costly like it's original Bentley parts. We should unscrew one screw holding the flap cap using T20 key. By the way, during this operation, keep open fire away from the car. Don't smoke. Avoid any spark, lights, electrical and any other stuff which can fire the petrol. Because according to the service manual, you must disconnect batteries, drain the fuel completely. I'm just making sure there is no open fire around and I just don't smoke. That's pretty much enough for me. Next, we should release the rubber around the fuel filler neck. Using your fingers, gently push it slightly down first, all the way around the fuel filler neck. Do everything gently. Do not apply any force. This card is made very solid, and if something is not removing, that means you're doing something wrong. You can damage something. Everything should be removed and fits well without any force in this car. Do not apply any force. Swing it left and right slightly. Use your fingers, and if you need, you can probably use some screwdriver very gently. Just gently swing left and right and pulling the flap cap out like I'm doing it. Hold the cap in order to avoid the scratching the car accidentally. Once you release it, just disconnect the plastic tiny drain pipe from the old rubber flap cap. We're gonna keep the old one due to avoid any extra work under the car. Just make sure it's not blocked and water can drain through it. Of course, if you want to replace it completely, you will have to remove the rear wheel and the plastic wheel arch liner and maybe something else what I haven't checked in the service manual. Unclip the plastic string of fuel cap from the flap cap body, just like I do. Yeah, don't lose it. And close the fuel tank for extra care of fire while you're preparing the replacement part. I'm removing my plastic drain pipe from my part because I'm gonna use my old one, the original one. Yeah, I'm just going to refit it back to here. Very carefully hook the flap cap, pushing it gently back into the original place, and place the drain pipe back to the new replacement part like it was. Now you should align the rubber hole to the filler fuel neck. Do it gently, with no rush, until it fits well. Align the position of the plastic drain pipe if you need to. In my case, I need to align it slightly, using something tiny like key or something. See, now it will. Put the screw back. Don't tight it too much. Put the painted cap back, sliding it down gently until it clips. You'll hear the click sound. Clip back the fuel tank screw cap. And that's it. The job is done. Now you should test if everything works properly. Also pour some water in it inside here to make sure it drains well. And now our traditional screenshots from the service manual, which I'm always using if I need to find something about the car. I bought mine on eBay, the link is below in the description. And yeah, happy fixing everyone. See you in the next video.